It's Sunday morning in downtown Detroit. It's a Renaissance Center right there. Penobscot building. We'll take a little walk. It's actually St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. They got some people, not a lot of people out right now, but I want to check out this car right here. We'll take a little walk. I'm gonna get something to eat right down there. I decided to take a nice video of downtown Detroit. That's the new building that they're building right there. The Jaguar. But like I was saying, it's St. Patrick's Day, 41 degrees. The Hudson building. I'm gonna take a walk across the street again. You can see they're dressed up for St. Patrick's Day. It's about 41 degrees. This thing right here is a people mover. It's kind of a chillier day. Wish it were warmer. They call this area Greektown Historic District. Maybe we might see hopefully we see the people mover go along that thing. But if you're ever in downtown Detroit, you want to take the people mover, that'll take you to wherever you need to go around downtown. You got an alleyway right down there. Some nice graffiti, but they are some of these places are open for St. Patrick's Day. Once we make a left right here, you'll see a little bit more. I'm gonna go get some pastries, but they call this Greektown Historical District. This is where the casino is, and the Renaissance Center right there, that big building. That's the tallest building in Michigan. You can see it's like, it goes all the way down there. And then you come through right here. And you got the casino right here. The casino hotel right there. They call it Hollywood Casino right now. But during the summertime, all this is packed with people and all these places are open. This place is open right now for St. Patrick's Day. This is gonna be a shorter video. And this is Greektown. I'm gonna go right over here into this place called Astoria. But this is a pretty nice casino too, and then they got a hotel, and they got all these places open. Normally during the weekend and weekdays, during the later hours, but this place is open. And let me know what you think.